Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashish Bishas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today, I am going to take a math class for the student of 5. Our today's topic is percentage. So let us start. Before starting our chapter, we need to know what is principal, what is interest, what is percent of interest, and what are the formula of principal, interest, and percentage rate of interest. So let us start. At first we shall learn what is principal. Principal means the money that is borrowed or investment is called principal. The money that is borrowed or investment is called principal. Suppose student, you have 5,000 taka, you want to deposit it into a bank. So this 5,000 taka is called the principal. So what is the formula of principal? The formula of principal is 100 multiplied by interest divided by rate of interest multiplied by time. Time measured in year. Next we shall know interest. What is interest? Money in addition to the principal created to an account by the bank is interest. Let us start an example. You want to deposit your 5,000 taka in a bank. After 1 year, the bank give you 750 taka in addition to your 5,000 taka. This 750 taka is called interest. The formula of interest is principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time divided by 100. Now we shall learn percentage rate of interest. Interest caused by depositing 100 taka for 1 year is the percentage rate of interest. The formula of rate of interest is interest multiplied by 100 divided by principal multiplied by time. And the formula of time is interest multiplied by 100 divided by principal multiplied by rate of interest. Suppose you have 5,000 taka, the bank offer you, if you want to deposit your taka in bank you give you 5% interest. This 5% rate is called percentage rate of interest. Now we shall solve a CBQ. Let us start. Our CBQ number 2 is Mrs. Lolita borrowed some money from a bank with an annual interest of 15% and paid the annual interest of 1,680 taka 1 year later. Student, notice here the annual interest is 1,680 and time is 1 year and annual interest rate is 15%. So the number 1 question is what is principal? Number B question is how much was the principal? Number C question is if Lolita borrow 1,000 taka for 1 year, then how much he has to pay back if the interest rate remains same? So number 1 question is what is principal? We have already learned this. The principal is the money that is borrowed or investment is called principal. So the next question is how much was the principal? To find out the principal, we have to know the formula of principal. The formula of principal is 100 multiplied by interest divided by rate of interest multiplied by time. From the stem, we notice that all the information are given. The rate of interest is 15%, the annual interest is 1,680 and the time is 1 year. So at first we write given that interest rate is 15%, time is 1 year, annual interest is 1,680 taka, 80 taka. So the formula of principal is interest multiplied by 100 divided by interest rate multiplied by time. And now we put the value of interest rate and time. So what is interest? Interest is 1,680 multiplied by 100 divided by interest rate. The interest rate is 15%. So we write here 15 and time is 1. So we write here 1. Now we cut this number. Yes, at first we divide 1680 divided by 15. Student notice 1680 contains 0 as the last digit and 15 contains 5 as the last digit. A number which has 0 at last digit, that number must be divisible by the number which has 5 or 0 at the last digit of a number. So 1680 by 15 must be divided by this number. At first we consider 2 zeros, 16. In 16, 15 goes in 1 times. So 1 is written here. Now subtracting 15 from 16, we get 1. And 8 is placed in 1. Then it will be 18. In 18, 15 goes in 1 times, left 3 and 3 0. In 30, 15 goes in 2 times, that means 122. If we divide 1680 by 15, then we get 112. Student notice 1 is left. We know that in every number has a denominator which is 1. So left number is 112 and 100. Now we multiply these two numbers and we finally get the answer. That means 112 multiplied by 1, we get 112 and 2 zeros are written here. So we can write 11,200 taka. You must write answer. Answer 11,200 taka. Next we shall solve number C. If Lolita borrow 10,000 taka for 1 year, then how much he has to pay back if the interest rate remains same? That means interest rate remains same the previous interest rate, which is 15%. Here the principal is 10,000 taka and time is 1 year. Time is 1 year. So at first we write, given that principal 10,000 taka, time 1 year, interest rate 15%. We need to find out the annual interest. The formula of annual interest is principal multiplied by interest rate multiplied by time divided by 100. Now we put the value of principal, interest rate and time. What is the principal? Principal means 10,000 taka. And what is the interest? Interest means 15%. And what is time? Time means 1 divided by 100. Now we cut 10,000 by 100 and we get 100. 100 is multiplied with 15 and 1. 15 and 1 means 15 and 15 multiplied with 100 and it will be 1500 taka. 1500 taka is the annual interest. After 1 year he has to pay back to the bank the principal with this annual interest. That's why after 1 year he has to pay back. Principal is 10,000 taka and annual interest is 1500 taka. We add these two numbers and we get 11,500 taka. So after 1 year he has to pay back 11,500 taka. Okay, today's lecture is finished. Student, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.